Alright guys, let's talk about XRP on the channel once again. Now you can see this is the daily time frame here. And today we have continuation basically from yesterday. We have reached a point, guys, where this, I think, is basically where this is the line between XRP becoming bullish or it's stopping the run right here and maybe consolidating. For some time. So, I mean, this is basically the line. If we look back for years and years and years, you can see, guys, we've been under this line at 92.65 cents basically since about December of 2021. And, I mean, that's almost like what, 4 years. It's amazing that we've been down here this long. And yeah, if we break above 92.65 cents and we start to close these daily candles and these weekly candles above it, XRP is going to skyrocket, guys. It's really going to skyrocket. And I don't know about $589, but XRP has really a chance to get very bullish because the community behind this coin is very powerful, guys. So anyways, let's take a quick look here at XRP. So there is 100 billion XRP. Only about, 57% of this is out at the moment. So, like I said before, I try to keep coins, or my bags with coins under 10 billion. Now, I know XRP has 10 times that amount, and, it's one of the higher amounts of all the coins that I hold. But when you have communities like Tron, Cardano, XRP, things like this, I mean, these communities are huge. So they tend to eat up the coins that are produced and circulating very quickly. So, it's not bad when it comes to like these types of projects. But yeah, anyways, XRP at one time was $3.40. It was almost 7 years ago, though. As you can see, the previous bull run, it didn't reach, this height of $3.40 basically on the chart. So it has a ways to go still. If we go back and look, I mean, it's only at about 91.5 cents right now. So yeah, guys, I mean, that is still quite far, but XRP, has a chance to move very quickly. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, it's sitting at 91.3 at the moment. I would say if it breaks above this yellow line, basically, that I've drawn here, and it closes, the daily above this candle, or above this line, this candle closes above, that would be very bullish. I think we will see the next leg up, basically. And I think the target will be about $100,500. Now that is considering, this flag here on a 4-hour time frame. If I draw it like this, and I take the flagpole basically from here to here, I put it over here where it starts to break out. Yeah, the target for the short term basically is $100,500. And if you remember, guys, this $105,000 mark, that is basically the breakout target from this very, very, very long consolidation that we had for many months. As you can see right here, we consolidated for 7 or 8 months, guys. And the breakout basically leads us to at least $105,000. So that's the long-term basically target, I would say. Although at this point it doesn't seem like it's going to be very long till we get there. But in the short term, basically this flag here that we formed on the 4-hour time frame should take us over $100,000, guys. Now, if we take a quick look here at the Google Trends about the Bitcoin and crypto as a search term, basically, these are the highest that we've seen since about 2022 for both. If you want, you can look, and it'll tell you basically the places that are searching for Bitcoin and crypto. It's a little bit interesting. There are related queries here like Solana, Shiba Inu, things like this. Here you have like SafeMoon and Shiba Inu again. So yeah, guys, I encourage you to just take a look at that. But it looks like retail is coming in because they're searching for this. Quick look at the monthly returns, guys. November is about 30% at the moment. Now, we did have our biggest green September ever. And then we had a very tame October. So, like I said, I think about a week and a half ago, I do believe that we were going to see about 30 to 40% returns here, probably in November and probably even December. It could be, guys. I think October was really just kind of saving its energy for November and December, just for some reason. So I don't know why that is, but that's just what it seems like. It was just saving up because normally we have, you know, bigger Octobers, for example, 40%, almost 30%, 47%, 33%, 60%, guys. So yeah, this was very tame for what we can see in October. Now, Bitcoin dominance, it looks like basically we have made, you know, some lower highs basically. No, I'm not sure why I have all these lines here. It kind of, I don't know what happened to this chart. It didn't show these lines before. But anyways, let me just take a few off here. And yeah, so we are making lower highs here. And I hope this is the end of this dominance run. You know, we really need this to go down. And, you know, altcoins will pump then, guys. Now, next week, basically Monday is nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, you do have like Philly Fed employment, Philly manufacturing, you know, jobless claims. And then Friday, guys, we do have some PMI numbers, and we got Michigan numbers on Friday. But basically, it's a pretty dead week next week economically. Now, if we take a quick look here at the FedWatch tools about the interest rate cut, guys, this actually went up slightly since my last video I just posted on Cardano a few minutes ago, really. So, yeah, but in my opinion, it's basically 50-50, guys. We still have a long way to go. You can see the next meeting date is basically a week before Christmas. And, you know, I think there's going to be CPI and things like this before, you know, they make a decision next month. And we just have to wait and see. But in my opinion, if I have to guess, I'm going to guess we're going to get at least one more quarter point cut this year. And yeah, that'll make 4 cuts this year. So now they only promised us 3, I think, in the beginning of this year. But I do believe we will get a 4th, honestly. So if we take a quick look at the Bitcoin, you know, altcoin season index, we are basically in Bitcoin season almost. You know, there's basically the line here at 25 signals that it's Bitcoin season. Anything between 25 and 75 is basically nothing. But I do think once we get above 50, we're going to shoot up to altcoin season very quickly, guys. So we've been basically within, you know, a range here of about, 24, 25 to about 40 for about 2 months. We did have this little ray of hope up here at 46 back in September, but it didn't pan out. So we kind of double topped here. You know, if we just look at the short term, kind of double topped there and came down. So anyways, you know, it's not altcoin season yet, but it is coming, guys. So take a quick look here at fear and greed. It's at an 80. Basically yesterday it was at 88. You know, last week 75, last month 73. So yeah, we are seeing extreme greed now that we're up in the $90,000 range for Bitcoin. And you know, I would like to see this come down actually, but I don't think it's going to come down, you know, especially with us up here at about $91,000. If I put this on the daily again, you'll see we are breaking to basically new heights, at least on a daily candle, you know, time frame. So I think if we break above this line here, we're going to see that next leg, guys. And I just don't think that the fear and greed is going to come down, especially if we're breaking up to new highs, you know, with daily candles and things like this, weekly candles. Look at crypto bubbles. Basically, most everything is in the green now. You know, there are a few things which are red at the moment. Earlier today, there was a lot of red. But getting that bounce with Bitcoin, guys, has really helped. So I do believe we're going to start, seeing, these alts bounce. So let's just hope, guys. I'm fully into alts. I don't have any Bitcoin. I don't even have any Ethereum, guys. I am fully into alts. So anyways, I have accumulated over the past 3 years, basically. And yeah, I think it's going to pay off, guys. I do believe we're going to see more and more of these 42, 27, 13, 17, 19, percent days, like we saw back when I got in January, February, March, April of 2021. This is what we saw almost every day. So I mean, 2% was like nothing, 6% was nothing. It was basically 18, 20, 25, 30% days every day. So prepare yourself, guys. It's going to come very quickly. Now, if you want a place where you can stake your XRP, guys, you just need to go to Coinondo here and type in XRP, and basically you get a list of places here. Choice is up to you. I actually have my XRP in CoinW personally, but that's not that I'm giving them a recommendation or anything. It's just that's where I have it. That's what I trust. It's totally up to you, though. And you can stake it in xt.com, Bitrue, Bybit. I have those exchanges as well. Poloniex, I don't know if I would trust, guys. I've heard a few things about them, and be careful. Wherever you put your coins, just be careful. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for supporting this channel, guys.